Alright guys, so this is going to be my final review on my Longqi hair, and let me just say, it is doing it for me. No. When I just did it, I was like, I'm not quite sure about this hair. But I love it now, and let me tell you what I did differently. Not differently, because I think I've showed you guys that or spoken about this before. It is the Cantu cream. Jonathan. It is a Cantu cream, and I'm going to insert a picture for you guys, but it really, the Cantu really fluffed up these curls to bits. Now you guys know when I love my hair big, like this for me is too tamed. This for me is not really what I'm going for. This for me is my son in the background. This for me is like, I don't know, I really wish it was bigger. I'm like, I really want to put that next bundle, but I really I stood my ground, and I was like, I'm not going to put any more bundles in this hair. I'm going to wear it as is, and I love it. This hair is so soft. Longqi hair, you hear my son? This hair is very soft, and I love it. Shedding, not anymore. I'm still getting a little bit, but not as much as I was getting before, so that's good. It's on a wig cap, and one way to preserve your virgin hairs whenever you buy them is to put it on a wig cap. One, it will last longer, and it will it will allow for more versatility as well in your styles, in your styling your hair and whatever. So this is it. 2 bundles and the closure, 3 bundles and the closure. I wish I had gotten 4, but this hair, you can comb it out and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. See what I mean? Like, it gets bigger, and that's what I love about curly hair in general. You have some amount of control over it. So much more bigger that is now. See that? As opposed to this side. Jonathan. So as you know, with curly hair you do get tangles, and in detangling you will get shedding. So in detangling you will get shedding, but I am not mad at that at all. I'm expecting shedding whenever I detangle. Heck, whenever I detangle my own hair and it's not as curly, I get shedding. So yeah. So shedding is not a sign, well, this amount of shedding is not a sign that the hair is good. This amount of shedding and what I'm doing causing it to shed is saying that, okay, yeah, it's good hair, it's good hair. It's normal hair. Now if it was shedding uncontrollably and the hair was visibly getting thinner and thinner and thinner, then you know you have some bad hair, and I don't even think hair like that even exists. But yeah, so this is just my final review on Longqi hair. I love it. You guys know I love curly hair. Zhuzhing this up a bit to my voluminous lightness. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It moves nicely and it's light. That is the most important thing. This hair is light. It is light, and I love that. Longqi hair, thank you so much for sending me this to review. I can't get around my child. He just wants to make a lot of noise today. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I will not go long at all. You guys know I don't like to be monotonous, and I think when I get good hair, it's good hair. It's up to you whether or not you want to invest, and I would say give Longqi a try, you know what I mean, because they do have good hair. This one, listen to me specifically, is really good hair. I wish I could see right now, guys. Jonathan, stop. So I don't like to repeat myself. I don't like sounding monotonous, but if I get good hair, I'm going to let you guys know it's good hair. And 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, any hair I'm coming on here to you guys with is good hair. I'm not going to take a hair and then say it's crappy and don't buy from this company, because one is going to waste my time, it's going to waste your time, although that will not be to the betterment of the company. I don't care if you're a big corporation or you're a small company. I am here to help you. I am here to help you, show my audience what it is that they can afford. There's a discount code. I'm going to give that to my subscribers. I'm giving that to you guys. If there's a deal going on, I'm going to tell you guys. If I'm wearing something and you want to know, I am going to tell you guys, because I am here helping you. Same goes for the companies. When they send us stuff to review as YouTubers, as influencers, we review, let them know what we like, what we don't like, and that's just our opinion. Alright, this is just my opinion, and my opinion is it's good hair. So if you want to invest, that's why I must be myself. You hold the bag like this. So it's up to you whether or not you want to invest, and I'm saying if you want to, give Longqi hair a try, because I mean the hair just looks absolutely natural. It looks good. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's it for this. Is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and again, Longqi hair, thank you so much. Longqi hair, thank you so much for sending me your hair to review. It's good. It's gonna get a thumbs up from me, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.